Good morning children. How are you all? I hope everyone are fine and healthy. Today I am going to start a new poem for this class, second standard. For which class? Standard second. What? Second standard. So what is the poem name? The poem name is Be Healthy and Wise. What is the poem name? Be Healthy and Wise. Today I am going to start a new poem for class second standard. So for which class? Second standard. What is the poem name? Be Healthy and Wise. Be Healthy and Wise. So children, by seeing this name only you can understand what is the poem about. So what is the poem about children here? Be healthy and wise. So how you can be healthy? How you can be healthy? By eating healthy food, not the junk food. You have to get up early in the morning, do exercises. These are your routine works, what you have to do to be healthy. So, to be healthy, what you have to do? You have to do your routine work. That you have to get up early in the morning, do exercises. What you have to do? Get up early in the morning, do exercises, eat well. That you have to eat only the homemade food, not the junk food. So, in that way, you can be what? Healthy. You can be healthy. So, wise, what do you mean by wise? Wise means intelligent or clever. Intelligent and clever. How you can be clever? By showing yourself how you are. By showing yourself, you can know that how you are clever and intelligent. Okay, children, shall we start the poem now? Okay, open to your page number 31. Page number 31. What is the poem name? Be Healthy and Wise. Please take out your pencil and be underlining the difficult words. The poem is very easy, children. So you have to memorize this poem. You have to memorize this poem and you have to write in your homework book twice. I will be telling after completing this poem for you. Okay, shall we start the poem, children? Okay. The cock crows in the morn to tell us to rise. The cocks crow in the morn to tell us to rise. And he who lies will never be wise. And he who lies will never be wise. So here you can know that what the cock is crow in the morning. So early morning, who will tell you? Who will tell you to get up early in the morning? So who will tell you to get up early in the morning? The cock. The cock will tell you to get up early in the morning. So it is giving you what signals to get up early in the morning. So when you see children, you can see early in the morning, maybe at 4 o'clock or to 5 o'clock, you can hear some sounds or the voice. What is the voice that coming from? Where it is coming? Who is doing that voice? You can see the cock. Have you seen the cock, children? I hope so. Many children would have seen. No children? Do you know what is a cock? Do you know what is the cock? Who crows in the morning, early morning? It will tell you to get up early in the morning now. Do you know cock, the hen and all? Okay. So, who will tell to get up early in the morning for you? Morn means morning. Morn means M-O-R means morning. M-O-R means morning. So, what? Who is telling to get up early in the morning for you? Who is giving you signals? The cock. The cock is crowing early in the morning to tell us to rise. So you can see when when the cock start crowing, you can see even the sun rises along with that. Who is rising there? Along with that, you can see the sun is rising. See, when the cock is very happy here, the cock is very happy and it is inviting the sun. Who? The cock is inviting the sun. That it is morning. It is early morning. So get up, everyone get up early. So get up early and do your routine works. Who is telling here? The cock is telling to all the people to get up early in the morning. Who's that? To tell us to rise. To tell us to rise means to get up early in the morning. And who lies will never be wise. So here, who doesn't rise means who doesn't wake up early in the morning are not clever and wise. So who doesn't wake up early in the morning, their routine work will not go good. So when you get up early in the morning, you can do your work very easily. So early in the morning, so what you do after getting early in the morning, you do your work. How you do your work? By doing exercises, by getting freshening up, by making breakfast and all. These are your routine works. So when you get up early in the morning, your works will be going on accordingly. When you get up lately, what happens? Your routine work will be disturbed. So you cannot do all your works properly. So here the cock is crowing and telling you to get up early in the morning and do your routine work. If if you don't get up early in the morning, you are not wise. You are not wise means you are not clever enough. So you cannot do your works properly. So what you have to do? You have to get up early in the morning. And he who lies will never be wise. For early to bed and early to rise. For early to bed and early to rise. So it is also been said that. So children, I hope so even you after in the evening, what you do in the night, you have your dinner fast, and your mom will be back of you. What she will be back of you? Eat fastly, and you have to sleep fastly. Why? If you sleep fast, you can get up early in the morning. If you sleep early, maybe she will be back of you that within 9 o'clock you have to have your dinner, and that before 9 only you have to sleep. That is your routine work. If you have a routine, a timetable properly, so all these are the routine that you can get up early in the morning. If you are late in the night, obviously you will be what? You will be late in the morning also. If you sleep at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, you will not be able to get up early. So what you will be the next morning, you will not be able to get up early. Maybe you will get up at 9 or 10. So what? It will be disturbed. Your routine work will be disturbed there. So you cannot have your routine work. You cannot. Maybe you will be doing hurry everything. Maybe if you want to go to office, what you will do? You may not do your exercises. You may not have your breakfast. You just want to move out to your the office. Maybe children, your father and mother, you would have seen all these things in your houses. No children, I hope so everyone would have noticed this in your houses. If your mom or the dad get up late in the morning, they will be rushing. How they will be rushing? Maybe they will not have their breakfast. Maybe they will not do their exercises properly in the morning. They'll be rushing as if they are going for some other work. So here, what will happen? So what here the poet is telling to, if you sleep early in the night, you can get up in the morning. You can get up early in the morning. So here is the way to be healthy and wise. So is the way to be healthy and wise. Go to bed early, wake up with joy. So is the way to be healthy and wise. See here, if you don't get up early in the morning, what it will be? Your health will be disturbed. Your health will have many health issues also. Along with that, you may see morning, if you don't do your routine work properly or exercise, or if you don't do breakfast. So afternoon you will have your lunch. Maybe you would have not have your breakfast early in the morning, and afternoon immediately you will have your lunch. So it will disturb you. It will be disturbed for you. It will be disturbed, and you may have many health issues also. You may have health issues also. So here what it is telling to be in this way, early to rise in the way to be healthy and wise. Go to bed early. So if you go to bed early, you can get up early in the morning. So I have seen many children have been watching the movies or the TVs in the night. What you do? You will be familiar. You are very familiar with the TV. You don't want to leave the TV. So it will be 2 or 3 in the night. What will happen next morning, on the Monday morning? You have to go for the school or the colleges. It will be too late, and you will also be in hurry, and your parents also will be in hurry because they have to get ready for you. They should feed for you for breakfast. Even they have to prepare for you for lunch and all those children. So in this way, if you don't do your routine work, if you don't sleep in the night early, so obviously you will be get up in the morning. You will be late also. So here, wake up with joy. So if you are early to bed, the morning will be very good for you. The morning will be very good for you. The routine work. So it is very good to what you have to get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. Make it a routine work. So if you get up early in the morning, you are till evening or till night, you will be very happy. You will be very happy. You can have your breakfast, you can have your lunch properly. There are time schedules for you to make your time for everything. You can also play. You can also play with your friends. You can also play with your brothers and sisters in the home. These are the activities, the curricular activities that you do in your home and all. No children. I hope so everyone enjoy these things and all with your friends and with your sister or brother. If you the main thing of this poem is that you should, when you sleep, early in the night, obviously you are going to have a good morning, a very good morning the next day. So going to bed late makes Jack a dull boy. So here the poet is telling that going to bed, that if you are going to bed that is, if you are going to bed late, if you are late to your bed, what will happen? I told you, the next morning you will be almost, your routine work will be disturbed. You cannot do your work properly. You have more stress. You are giving more stress to your body. It is very necessary to sleep at least 8 hours in a day. 8 hours if you sleep well in a day, the next day will be very good for you. You can do all the activities what you have thought to do the next morning. If you don't sleep well, the next morning will be very bad for you. So here, Jack a dull boy. So the poet is giving an example of a boy. See, it will make a boy, not only this boy, maybe other girls and boys also. So it is making Jack a dull boy. So the Jack has become now dull here because he is not getting up in the morning, early in the morning because he is sleeping late in the night. Children, I hope so you would have understood this poem. So I am going to read this poem once again for you. Please recite this poem back of me. Will you tell back of me, children? Okay, did you understand the poem, children? This poem is, so what is the moral of the poem is that here you have to, when you sleep early in the night, you will get up early in the morning. So you can do your works very cleanly and very cleverly. You can have your breakfast properly, you can have your exercises, you can have your lunch, you can play with your neighbors, you can play with your children, that is your brothers and the sisters also. You can enjoy the day properly. If you don't have a proper sleep, what happened here? You will be totally disturbed. You will be totally disturbed. Children, do you have any doubts? Shall we move on? Will you tell back of me, children? Okay. The cock crows in the morn to tell us to rise. So I told morn means morning. Morn means morning. The cock crows in the morn to tell us to rise, and he who lies will never be wise. And he who lies will never be wise. For early to bed and early to rise. For early to bed and early to rise. Is the way to be healthy and wise? Is the way to be healthy and wise? Go to bed early, wake up with joy. Go to bed early, wake up with joy. Going to bed late makes Jack a dull boy. Going to bed late makes Jack a dull boy. Okay, children, do you have any doubts? I hope so you would have understood this poem. Please recite this poem and recite this poem as early as possible, because you have to write this in your homework book twice. You have to write in your homework book twice. I will be sending you the notes from the WhatsApp group. Okay, children, let's move on to your page number 32. So you have exercises there, and I will be discussing you the question answers also. So the first exercise of this poem is, so here, find another word that ends in the same sound for the following words. So you have to select rhyming words. You have to write what rhyming words. First one is rise, R-I-S-E, rise. Second is joy. So J-O-Y, joy, J-O-Y, joy. So you have to write the rhyming words for this. So what do you write for rise? You can write wise, W-I-S-E, wise. Rise, wise, W-I-S-E, wise. Joy, boy, joy, boy, joy, boy. Okay, children, do you have any doubts here? First one I have already cleared for you. What is the? You have to find out the rhyming words for this. So in the textbook they have given question rise, R-I-S-E, rise, W-I-S-E, wise. R-I-S-E, rise, W-I-S-E, wise. Next we have joy, J-O-Y, joy. B-O-Y, boy, J-O-Y, joy, B-O-Y, boy. Okay, children, next we will discuss the question answers here. The first question is, do you get up early every day? So, children, do you get up early every day? I hope so. Every children get up early in the morning. So, yes, I get up early every day. So, what is the answer for this? I get up early every day. Have you heard the crowing of cocks in the morning? Have you heard, children? So I told, have you seen the cock? How they had what the cock will have a comb on its head. It is also known as the comb and crown also. Have you seen the cock crowing early in the morning, like 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock? I hope so. Everyone have been heard, because it is giving a signal that it is morning. So you have to get up. Who is telling? The cock is telling to get up early in the morning. Have you seen? Have you heard the crow? Yes. I hope everyone would have heard the crowing of cock. So what is the answer here? Have you heard the crowing of cock in the morning? Yes, we have heard the crowing of cocks in the morning. Yes, we have heard the crowing of cocks in the morning. Okay, children. The next, first and second are completed. That is the third one. Have you seen the comb of the cock? Can you describe it? So now I told you. The comb will be which color? It will be in the red color. It will be in the red color. It is also said what? The crown. The crown for the. It is also said it is a crown for the cock. So children, did you understand this? So the comb will be in the red color. The cock will have a comb on his head. The cock will have what? Comb on his head. So it is also known as the crown. So next, fourth one. Which bird do you like the most? Why? So anyone, can you tell me that? Which bird do you like? I hope every children like the peacock, the most beautiful bird. The most beautiful bird. Why do you like peacock? I almost like the peacock. I hope so children, even you like the peacock very much. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock is our national bird. Why do you like the peacock? Because it is very colorful and beautiful. The peacock is very colorful and beautiful bird. Okay children, next move on for the second main of this page. Look at the picture and write 3 sentences about each of them. One is done for you. See, almost they have done. Can you see this picture children? See, they have described the morning here. See, they have described the morning here. So pleasant. See, you can see in the morning when you see it is very cold. So the sun rises in the east. It is very cold. It is very cold. We have breakfast in the morning. The sun rises in the east. It is very cold. We have breakfast in the morning. So in the noon, what do you do in the noon? So here, the sun, where is the sun? It will be on our head. That one noon, the sun will be on our head. It is very hot. It is very hot. We have lunch in the noon. So what we do? It is very hot. The sun will be on our head. It is very hot. It is very hot. We have lunch in the afternoon. We have lunch in the afternoon. Clear children? Because you have to write in your textbook. You should write in your textbook. Will you write this one, children? Okay. So what do you have to write? The sun will be on our head at 12 noon. It is very hot. It is very hot. We have lunch in the noon. We have lunch in the noon. So next, move on to your page number 33. Move on to your page number 33. So in this page number 33, you can see the evening. So you can see the evening. How will you describe the evening? How will you describe the evening here? Shall we write on the board, children? Okay. So how will you write? So the sun sets in the west. The sun. So here, for page number 33. This is page number 33. So evening they have given EVENING, evening. So here you can see, what will you write? The sun sets. The sun sets in the west. Okay. What you have to write? The sun sets in the west. So next, what is your next line here? So you have to write at least 3 sentences here. You have to write at least 3 sentences. It is a very pleasant evening. It is a very pleasant evening. Evening. So the sun sets in the west. It is a very pleasant evening. So what do you do in the evening? What do you do, children, in the evening? We enjoy evening with tea and snacks. Evening with tea and snacks. Tea and snacks. So what do you do in the evening? What do you do, children? The sun sets in the, you have to write in these lines only. See, they are given you 3 lines here. So they are given you picture also. So you have to write these lines in that 3 lines only. Okay. The sun sets in the west. It is a very pleasant evening. We enjoy evening with tea and snacks. We enjoy evening with tea and snacks. Okay, children. I hope so. You should write in pencil only. All these things you have to write in your pencil only. Don't use your pen at all here. So you have to write in your pencil. Did you understand, children? See, I have written. How I have written, you have to write in the same way. So next, that is the third mail of the page number 33. Look at the picture and write it. So look at the picture. See, already they have given you pictures. See. So here there is a conversation here. Like, John, what time did you get up? So John is asking Misha here. John is asking Misha. What John is asking here? For whom John is asking? He is asking for Misha. So here Misha. Page number. So this is page number 33. So this is also page number 33. So here, what do you have to fill here? What time do you get up? So who is asking here? John is asking. So you have to, now you are Misha. So what will you write here? So I get up at 6. I get up at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. I get up at 6 o'clock. So who is telling here? Misha is telling. Clear, children? Do you have any doubt? Shall I move? Next, John, what time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? See, in the picture you have the clocks here. Can you see your children? See, the clocks are given here. According to the picture only, you have to write the answer. In the picture what they have given, you have to answer in the same way. So what time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? They have given in the clock 8 o'clock. I go to school. So again Misha. So here Misha, what time do you go to school? I go to school at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Okay, children, what do you have to write? I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Next, the last one from your textbook. How do you go to school? How do you go to school? Do you go by walk, or who's asking? John is asking. John is asking to Misha whether you go to school. So you can see they are going to school in a school van. They are going to school in a school van. So what did Misha answer here? What did Misha answer here? So she told, I go to school by school van. I go to school by school van. So here, did you understand, children? Are you writing? So here, page number 33. So I have already told you the questions. First question was, John asked Misha, what time do you get up? So what did Misha reply here? I get up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6 o'clock. The next question, what time do you go to school? So what did Misha reply here? I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Please write school here, children. School. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Next, Misha. Next, how do you go to school? So Misha answered, I go to school by school van. I go to school by school van. Clear, children? I hope so. Everyone will write in your textbook neatly. Please use your pencil while you are writing in textbook. So I will be sending you your notes. Please try to memorize this poem, and you have to write this poem twice in your homework book. I will be sending your classwork in WhatsApp. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.